The darkness conceals more than just shadows. Secrets are buried in these walls. Every step brings you closer to the truth and to the danger that awaits. One pull, and the night turned deadly.
Deep in the frozen plains of Idaho, the U.S. Army built SL-1, a tiny experimental nuclear reactor designed to power remote Arctic bases.
On the night of January 3, 1961, three men, John Burns, Richard McKinley, and Richard Legg, were restarting the reactor after the New Year shutdown. The central control rod had a habit of sticking. Their job was simple: lift it just 4 inches to reconnect the mechanism. Instead, the rod was yanked out over 20 inches. In 4 milliseconds, the reactor went prompt critical, power surging from 200 kilowatts to 20 gigawatts. A steam explosion tore the reactor apart. The vessel jumped 9 feet into the air and slammed back down.
All 3 men died horribly. One was pinned to the ceiling like a spear. The others suffered fatal radiation doses and blast injuries. The contamination was so severe that rescuers had to wait days before they could even enter.
The explosion sprayed radioactive material throughout the building. The men's bodies were so contaminated they had to be buried in lead-lined coffins. Interesting fact: this was the only nuclear reactor accident in American history where people were killed instantly by the reactor itself. The SL-1 disaster shocked the world and forced massive changes in reactor safety design, changes that still protect plants today.
Yet it remains a grim reminder. Even the smallest mistake with nuclear power can turn a quiet midnight shift into a nightmare. The midnight explosion that killed its own crew and changed nuclear history forever. If these stories send a chill down your spine, hit follow for more true disasters hidden from history.